channel Visual Eclipse. Today we are going to capture some images of the first solar eclipse of 2020. So you can see there are clouds in sky. Also I will try to explain what is solar eclipse and how it happens and what are the phenomenon behind it and what are the do's and don'ts. Let's see what happens. So friends, as you can see, I am capturing today's eclipse using only my Nikon 70 to 300 mm lens and my camera Nikon D5300, and I am getting quite good result with it. And the eclipse has already started. Thankfully the sky is a little bit clean now. You can see still there are clouds, but it's okay. Now it is fully covered with cloud, as you can see. So guys, I hope you saw the eclipse I captured using my phone and my camera as well. So we cannot capture anything if the sky is covered with cloud. So at the meantime, let me explain what is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is a natural phenomenon. There is no blind belief on it. It is completely a scientific phenomenon. Sun is covered by moon, means sun is there and our planet and other planets are rotating around sun, and moon is rotating around earth. A total solar eclipse occurs when moon passes between earth and sun, thereby totally or partially obscuring the image of sun for a viewers on earth. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon's apparent diameter is smaller than the sun's, blocking most of the sun's light and causing the sun to look like a annulus or ring. An annular solar eclipse appears as a partial eclipse over a region of earth thousands of kilometers wide. The central part of this annular eclipse passes through parts of Central and Eastern Africa, parts of South Africa and South Asia, the Himalayas, including southern Pakistan, northern India, Nepal and Tibet. As per the animated graphics shown here, the eclipse will look like in Bangalore location. The sun will not be covered fully by moon, and this will be the path, and we will see the eclipse like this throughout the session. The total eclipse occurs when the dark solitude of the moon completely obscured the intensity bright light of the sun, allowing the much fainter solar corona to be visible. During any one eclipse, totality occur at best only in a narrow track on the surface of Earth. This narrow track is called as the path of totality. You can see directly from my camera's LCD screen, I captured this using my mobile phone. So if you watch directly through naked eye, it may cause severe eye damage. Even if it is 99% covered, 1% is visible of sun, then also it is very harmful for eyes. So try avoiding see and photograph solar eclipses directly. Use solar filters. It will save your eyes, it will save your camera sensor. It is a savior, so always use solar filters. this kind of eclipse also happened last year, and the complete eclipse was at Coimbatore, but due to cloud we could not get more images of it. Though I captured one image from that time I was at Bhubaneswar, so from there I captured one image because that time the sky was fully cloudy, and I was lucky enough to get one picture. This is the picture I took last year. So guys, it's over. Around 3.5 hours it took. Now eclipse is completely gone, and now sun is it's full safe. I captured some videos and photographs using my camera. I am very much happy. I spent around 3.5 hours here, and thankfully it is not cloudy. And with my small equipment, I try to capture as much as I can. So I hope you will like it. And I request you, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, and stay tuned for new latest upcoming videos. Thank you.